Hello and welcome to this module on self-esteem.
Are you tolerant of your mistake? Do you verbally put yourself down? Do you become angry with yourself? These responses may suggest that your self-esteem is low, and if you speak to yourself in this way, you will continue to reinforce your lack of self-esteem. If we were nagged, ignored, yelled at, criticized, demeaned, ridiculed, hit, punished, judged, or controlled, etc., then our self-esteem has at least been seriously wounded, if not destroyed. Being aware of when you engage in distorted thinking and being able to change that distortion into realistic thinking takes time and practice. But it can be done.
Well, that concludes this training module on self-esteem.